What if I told you that the richest people on earth don't work harder than you? They simply stop trading time for money. That's right. While most people are stuck working from sunrise to sunset, the wealthy figured out how to make money work for them even while they sleep. Tonight, we expose the real systems that print wealth, not scams, not fake passive income dreams, but truth-backed financial engines that actually build freedom. Welcome to Next Gen Hustle, where we don't sell fantasies. We uncover facts that can change your financial destiny. To every new subscriber, thank you for joining this journey. To every returning subscriber, thank you for believing in truth over trends. Stay with me until the end. Because what you'll learn here could rewrite how you think about money, work, and time itself. We live in a world that glorifies hard work, but hides smart systems. Schools taught us how to earn a paycheck, not how to earn freedom. Every great empire, every billionaire, every digital revolution was built on one principle: leverage, the ability to make money even when you're not physically working. From Warren Buffett, who earns millions daily from businesses he doesn't personally run, to creators on YouTube earning from videos filmed years ago, to software founders making sales while they sleep, they all rely on systems, not ours. This video isn't about getting rich quick. It's about understanding the timeless formula. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. At Next Gen Hustle, we don't teach illusions. We teach the truth, the kind that changes your perspective, your habits, and your financial reality. So let's begin. Here are 8 powerful systems that make money for you even while you're asleep. Each one is proven, tested, and scalable in the digital age. First, the power of leverage, the foundation of sleep income. The world's wealthy understand one secret: money never sleeps, but people do. That's why they build assets, not jobs. Assets are machines that work when you rest. In 1930, economist John Maynard Keynes predicted that by now, humans would work just 15 hours a week. He was wrong, not because technology failed, but because most people never learned how to let technology work for them. From the Industrial Revolution to the rise of artificial intelligence, leverage has always been the turning point. The printing press multiplied knowledge. The internet has multiple connections. AI now multiplies output. Those who understand leverage, time, money, and technology create exponential income. So before any method, remember this rule: if your income stops when you stop working, you don't own your life yet. Thank you to every new subscriber joining this movement of truth seekers. If you're learning something already, stay till the end, the best is yet to come. Second, digital assets, the new age of passive income. In the old world, assets meant land and factories. In the new world, digital assets are the new property: ebooks, online courses, YouTube videos, stock photography, and even music royalties all create digital footprints that keep paying you day after day. Take MrBeast, his YouTube videos earn millions per month, even the ones uploaded years ago. Or authors like James Clear, who still earns royalties from Atomic Habits years after writing it. Digital assets compound attention, the new currency of the internet. Once created, they don't sleep. They sell, share, and spread. Your smartphone isn't a toy, it's your digital printing press. What you post today could pay you tomorrow. Start building one digital asset this year: an online course, a YouTube channel, a digital product, something that multiplies without you. Third, the stock market, ownership without labor. Owning stocks is owning small pieces of working companies. When you buy Apple stock, you earn while millions of employees work for you. This is how Warren Buffett made his billions. He doesn't work inside Coca-Cola, but Coca-Cola works for him. The stock market, when understood, is the oldest make money while you sleep system in modern history. Dividends, capital gains, and compounding, these are not buzzwords. They're mathematical truths. If you had invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 in 1980 and let it compound, you'd have over $100,000 today. Not from luck, but from time and patience. The earlier you own, the sooner you earn. Fourth, Real estate, the original passive empire. Before the internet, empires were built on land. Even today, real estate quietly creates millionaires every year. Rental income. Property appreciation, rights, real estate investment trusts. All these are systems that make money even while you're asleep. Consider Sam Zell, a billionaire who turned failing buildings into rental machines. While others were sleeping, his properties were working, collecting rent, gaining value. And in 2025, you don't even need to buy a building. You can invest in fractional real estate, owning small parts of properties globally. The digital world changed real estate access, but the principle remains the same: own assets that others pay for. Fifth, automation and AI, machines that earn. We've entered an era where code replaces labor. AI tools automate work that once took entire teams. From automated e-commerce stores to AI content creation, systems now generate revenue with minimal human effort. Think of Shopify stores running on autopilot, or YouTube automation channels earning ad revenue non-stop. AI is not just a threat to jobs, it's a gateway to automated income. Every technological shift creates new wealth for those who adapt early. At Next Gen Hustle, we believe AI isn't replacing humans, it's replacing inefficiency. Learn to use it, or you'll work for those who do. Sixth, licensing and royalties and getting paid for your ideas. Thomas Edison didn't get rich from just inventing, he got rich from licensing. Every time someone used his ideas, he got paid. Today, creators can license music, designs, code, or even photos and earn every time someone uses their work. You don't need fame, you need intellectual property. Something you own, that others use. It's why Disney earns billions yearly, not from movies, but from licensing Mickey Mouse. Your creativity is currency, protect it, license it, and let it pay you while you sleep. Seventh, affiliate systems, the digital sales force. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful sleep income models ever built. You promote a product once and earn every time someone buys through your link. Amazon, ClickBank, and thousands of platforms run on this system. Affiliate marketing turns attention into income. It's not about selling, it's about trust and strategy. One viral video can bring commissions for years. The lesson: build trust, build an audience, build systems. Eighth, building brands, the ultimate wealth engine. Every empire you admire, from Nike to Apple, is powered by brand value. A brand earns while its founder sleeps. It's why Elon Musk's tweets can move markets. His name is a brand currency. Building a brand around truth, value, and vision ensures your work pays you beyond your lifetime. Even personal brands on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can evolve into multi-million-dollar businesses. When people trust your name, your income becomes automatic. Thank you again to all Next Gen Hustle subscribers. Your support fuels truth-driven education. We're about to wrap it all up with clarity and power. We uncovered 8 systems that allow you to make money while you sleep. Leverage, the foundation of all wealth. Digital assets, your online empire. Stocks, ownership over labor. Real estate, timeless wealth. Automation and AI, machines that multiply output. Licensing and royalties, intellectual wealth. Affiliate systems, income through influence. And branding, the legacy engine. Freedom begins when your income no longer depends on your presence. You don't need to chase luck. You need to build leverage. Remember this: money is a servant, not a master. And those who understand this rule never wake up broke again. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to Next Gen Hustle, where truth meets action. Every week, we decode the real economics of success, the system schools forgot to teach you. Because here, we don't chase illusions. We chase truth, results, and the future. Stay with Next Gen Hustle, because the next generation belongs to the hustlers who know the truth.